can see, there's a lot of space here, and it's because room 211. Actually, this is where I filmed my thank you video. Introductions, Blithe, or Alana, or I don't know.
Hi.
This is Faith.
Hi.
So today we're gonna do a quiz. This is gonna test our friendship, and whoever gets more points will get to stay my friend. Whoever loses is gonna.
I'm gonna leave now.
Oh no.
Try.
Okay.
Totoro.
Okay, the buzzword is
Totoro.
Okay, so you need to say Totoro before you answer. So we'll start with the easy round. First, which of 3 cubicles is my favorite?
Totoro. First.
Okay, points!
I
But you know me!
I know, but
I
was first. Yeah.
What were the rooms I have on
Totoro. 12, 209, 10.
Yay! Okay.
1-1.
1-1. It's a
I knew that.
second round. Intermediate easy round. What is my favorite dessert?
Totoro.
Hershey's. Nope.
Chocolate.
No, dorm dessert.
Oh.
Okay, you get to steal.
Misin
No!
Totoro. Fruit salad.
Yeah!
Okay. Yes.
What time do my classes end on a
Totoro.
Friday?
7.
Next round. Intermediate for reals. What date did I finish moving into my new room?
Totoro.
What?
Date? August 24.
Yeah! Out of 6 subjects, how many management subjects do I have this semester?
Totoro.
Yeah? No.
Totoro 3.
Yeah. Did you just guess that one?
Yeah.
Fourth round. Difficult question mark. If I could be a wild animal, what would I choose to be? We don't actually even talk about this.
Yeah. Totoro bird.
No!
Why did it sound so wrong? Totoro?
Yeah? No.
Totoro fish. Totoro Simba.
No.
Totoro penguin.
Okay, it's not a kind of bird. Blithe. It's not a bird.
Totoro dog? Nope. Totoro...
What would I choose? Why would I choose to be a giraffe?
Totoro sloth. Totoro deer.
No, it's a four-legged
Totoro
carnivore.
elephant.
No. Carnivore.
Totoro lion.
Yeah!
Dauntless.
4-3.
Dauntless.
4-3. What agricultural product do I buy from IPS?
Agricultural product. Is it a plant?
No.
Totoro. I'm going to say Milo, but
What?
agricultural product. Milk. Agriculture. Totoro honey.
Yeah! How did you know? No, but it's not known that
Now they know.
Now they know. Now you know! Oh no, difficult for real. This is really hard. I don't think you can answer. In Midnight Snack. How many YouTube videos do I currently have on public?
On public. Totoro 20. Totoro 12.
Cool, it's more than 20.
Totoro 23.
Yeah! In Midnight Snack again. When did I post my first YouTube video? It was summer.
Exact date.
Yeah.
Totoro April 25. 4.
Yeah!
Totoro honey.
Yeah!
23.
Yeah! Nope. Earlier or further?
Totoro June 25. June 24.
It's not in June.
Totoro May 20.
No.
So it's May.
Yeah.
It's your face.
Totoromi 20. Totoromi 19. Totoromi 18. Totoromi 17. Totoromi
May
15.
16,
Totoromi 14.
Oh
Totoromi.
my god, it's 14! Both said it at the same time.
Actually, I forgot to say that.
Okay, so that's your point.
Yay!
It's time for the Give Me Game time.
Is that for real?
Oh my god.
Bring me. Oh my.
No, it's not bring me. It's like
Oh.
say something to me. How do I say a category like give me a milk brand, and then both of you give me a milk brand, and whoever I like more will be given a point. Yep.
I'm so good at you.
Give me a song. You can think about it. You know, you have one already. Oh my gosh! Why are you so confident? Go.
Drunk in Love.
If Faith scores 2 points. Give me a gift. Something that you can buy, okay? Something that you can actually give me. Don't give me like a house and lot. 1, 2, 3, go.
Highlighter.
Fancy dictionary set.
I like Faith. 5, 8. Yeah, you can do this.
Highlighter.
This is kind of embarrassing. Okay. Give me a guy's name, except a guy's name from campus.
Yeah, I'm not ready. I forgot that not say it, guys.
Oh my god, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. This is a bonus question game. How many Philippine presidents can I say under 30 seconds? 1, 2, 3, go.
7.
Okay, oh my god, I'm so pressured. 1, 2, 3, go. Pinoy, GMA, Arab, Josepi Laurel, Fidel V. Ramos, Marcos, Elpidio Quirino.
Oh my gosh. Go for 8, girl. Go for 8.
Manuel L. Quezon, Manuel L. Rojas, Sergio Esmenia.
Anyway, stop.
10.
10, baby.
Give me a color. Not the easy. 1, 2, 3, go.
Black.
Sassy.
I go black.
Yay!
Step up your game, girl. Give me a movie. Okay? You know a lot of movies. I don't know what you like. Go.
Attack on Titan live action.
I knew you were going to say
Yeah! Ding, 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 ding,
Yay.
9, 10.
Yeah.
So this is the last question. Give me any kind of organization, except for Isaac and
Wait. I'm ready.
Yeah.
SD. 1, 2, 3, go.
Painters.
Films.
Yeah!
Bum, 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 bum. Just kidding, go ahead.
Totoromi 14.
Oh my god, it's 14! Both said it at the same time.
Actually, I forgot to say that.
Okay, so that's your point.
Yay!
Actually, I forgot to say that.
Totoromi 14. Totoromi 14.
Oh, we need to do the outro.
The what?
So, thank you for watching, everyone. Bye. Covered, please. Actually, I have a second